Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel a membership with Amazon Prime, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Amazon Prime membership, first, open the Amazon website on your computer. Sign in to your account using your email and password. Once logged in, hover over the Account and Lists menu in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, click on Your Prime Membership. This will take you to the Prime Membership Management page. On this page, look for the button labeled End Membership and Benefits. Click on that button to begin the cancellation process. You will be presented with information about your membership status and benefits. Read through the details to understand the consequences of cancellation. If you are sure you want to proceed, click on Cancel Membership. Follow the prompts that appear on the screen. You may be asked why you are canceling. Select an option or provide feedback if you wish. After completing any required steps, confirm your cancellation by clicking Confirm Cancellation. Once your membership is canceled, you will receive a confirmation email from Amazon. Check your email to ensure that the cancellation has been processed successfully. If you have any remaining benefits, you can still use them until the end of your billing cycle. Make sure to check your account for any notifications regarding your membership status. If needed, you can reactivate your membership later by following the same steps. That's it. Your Amazon Prime membership has now been successfully canceled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.